It shows us a few of those ideas.
The hotter it gets outside, the more creative you have to get in order to stay cool. Well, did you know that fresh fruit is mostly water? It means you can take some, put it in a freezer bag, and throw it in the freezer. Once it's got the big chill, you can take that fresh fruit out, put it into a drink without diluting it, put it into water for flavor, or just pop it into your mouth for a healthy snack. Everybody's got one of these. A sponge, it's made to hold water. So soak it, put it in a freezer bag, and you now have a built-in ice pack, which you can also take out of the freezer bag, let some of that cold water hit the noggin, and you've got built-in evaporational cooling. But if you don't want the mess, how about this idea? 1 part rubbing alcohol to 2 parts water and a little bit of food coloring. Once you have that concoction, stir it up and throw it in a freezer bag, and it becomes a built-in gel pack. Now, the beauty of the gel pack is that you can mold it to fit anywhere you want to cool down, and then once it melts, you can freeze it again from here until eternity. It's totally reusable. And here's one more thing you can do. Often called a swamp cooler or a bucket cooler, this is something you can build yourself, and it really can help you stay cool. You need a 5-gallon bucket, and you can cut either one hole if you have PVC pipe like this, or a series of holes if you have PVC pipe like this. Freeze a couple of water jugs, fill that bucket, and also cut a hole in the top that fits a fan that you have. Now, this fan, if it were just blowing hot air around, isn't much good. But if it evaporates that ice bucket inside the gallon bucket, that cool air comes out as much as 10 degrees cooler than the air around you. And that will help you stay much more comfortable.